Wenling Zhongheng Automobile Supplies Company Limited is a professional automobile mat supplier, integrating development, production, sale and OEM service, and combining technology and productive resources. We are dedicated to producing high-quality automobile mats. Thanks to our specialization and first-mover advantage, we have earned a good reputation in both the domestic and international markets. Zhongheng's headquarters is located in Wenling City, Zhejiang Province, China. We have been operating at full capacity for 9 years. Now, in 2023, we are expanding production capacity and warehouse facilities in Thailand to meet growing customer demand. Thailand boasts stable economic development and a robust manufacturing foundation, offering lower raw material costs and a cost-effective, skilled and diversified workforce. Our domestic warehouse in Thailand spans 5,000 square feet, providing support for VDP, DSD and short-term stock support. Resource integration supports lower MOQ for our manufacturing process, helping us reduce costs and optimize our supply chain. For over a decade, we have served as manufacturing vendors for leading retailers and distributors of automobile accessories in both the US and EU markets. Importing floor mats from Thailand can save 25% on US tariffs compared to importing it from China. Thailand's strategic location serves as a gateway to the heart of Asia. To enhance cost efficiency and lower production costs, we have established a joint stock factory in Thailand to produce floor mats, with a self-owned design team. The addition of a Thailand-based sales representative team has significantly improved communication efficiency in our operations. Zhongheng boasts a professional team with strong cohesiveness. Through various professional knowledge and skills, we collaboratively create products and serve clients, focusing on customers' demands. At Zhongheng, enforcing contracts with integrity is our principle, and transcending clients' expectation is precisely what we aim for. With years of experience in the automobile mat industry, Zhongheng has accumulated a wealth of service experience and client resources. Our professional team can even bring customized demands for products to life, ensuring you have an exceptional service experience. Zhongheng Automobile Supplies Company, a professional automobile mat supplier, looks forward to more cooperation with you. Thank you.